Hi guys, this is Nabil from Egypt. I am an Arabic teacher. I am dedicated to learn Arabic to the non-European people, and they want to travel to any of the European countries and they finding difficulties to learn or to speak any of the Arab words. So here is your chance for 5 minutes and you can follow my next series about the Arabic lessons that will be very useful for yourself. Let's cut it short and go straight away to learn some useful words that you can say it, and I'm going to say it in a very basic language and the common language, not very formal, to be seen that you are old in speaking the Arab language. So let's go for how to say my name is Muhammad, for example here. So أنا اسمي Muhammad. Let's say it again please, and just if you repeat after me many times, okay, that will be very easy for yourselves. So my name is Muhammad. It's Ana, it means my or me. Ismi, it's my name. Muhammad. I can cancel the word Ana, okay, and I can say it straight away. Ismi Muhammad. Ismi Muhammad. Whatever. You can say Ismi Michael, Ismi John, whatever the name. Let's go to say your age. How old are you? So if I want to say I am 20 years old, I can say Ana, or I cannot say it, so I can cancel it from the word Ana عمري 20 سنة. I can say as well عمري without Ana, عمري 20 سنة. سنة means year. 20. In between brackets, you can say the word 20. So again, I am 20 years old. It is أنا عمري 20 سنة. I can say it straight away. عمري 20 سنة. Okay, let's go for the next word. I am an accountant. For example, I am a lawyer, I am a doctor, whatever. أنا محاسب. محاسب, it means an accountant. Lawyer, it means محامي. Doctor, the same, doctor. So I am an accountant. أنا محاسب. I am a lawyer. أنا محامي. I am a doctor. I am a doctor. I am engineer. I am مهندس. مهندس. I am an engineer. Okay, let's go to the other words here. I live in Canada. I live in Canada or United States, wherever the country. أنا أعيش في Canada or America. So أنا, I can cancel the word أنا. أعيش, I mean I live in في Canada or America. So in Arabic, أنا أعيش في Canada or United States, America. So my religion is Islam. I can say it ديانتي. ديانتي الإسلام. ديانتي الإسلام. So my religion is Islam, or I can say أنا means I am Muslim. I am Muslim. It means أنا Muslim, or I am Muslim. I love Arabic language. أنا, or I can cancel أنا, the word means I. أحب, love اللغة العربية. اللغة العربية. And the other word, the last word, I am learning Arabic. أنا means I am learning. أتعلم Arabic, اللغة العربية. I'm learning Arabic. أنا أتعلم اللغة العربية. Thanks so much for watching the video, and follow me up, subscribe, share it as much as you can to know much more useful. Bye.